Hey guys, we're going to have a look at an absolutely cracking scale today. That's the E Phrygian dominant. Now, the E Phrygian dominant is the Phrygian mode of the harmonic minor. So really cool, really cool. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to play it in the A position, but also mix it around a little bit. So we're going to be up starting on the 7th fret on the A string. Start with your second finger on this one because it's got a flat 9 right there and then goes to a natural third. So, and you can already get a feel for it. So, we have a 4th, a 5th, and a flat 6th. 4 notes. You can do it a variety of ways. Up to you. So, 1, 2, then just a nice little finishing on the 7th, 9th. Now we've got a really cool turnaround on that 9th there, a flat 9th, so awesome, hey. Go through it slow, so and again. And again. Couldn't help myself. This just lends itself to some really cool soloing. It's just so Middle Eastern vibe to it. Really simple. You've got a couple of major thirds in there, but fifths, flat 5th intervals. So there's just so much to do with it. Now when you've got your octave here, you've got that beautiful flat 9th. So much tension. And you've got your flat 7th. So as I said, just the intervals in this are just so good for soloing. All right, let's have a look at what happens when we go down lower as well. So rather than running up high, I'm sure you can work that out. Let's see what happens low, and this is where I love it. We've got our 7th, flat 6th. Okay, back to our 5th, 4th, our natural third, flat 2nd, alright, and we can run from here. So you can just feel this has got so much potential, and you've got some great little chords that go with it. Very dark, very discordant. So many tension and release notes in it. So So muck around with your chords and your lead in between it. All right, let's get into, I guess, a little bit more serious and do a run from the open. All right, so there's first few. Okay, so you can start to see I've got this really cool run running up there. Right, let's go. All right, you might be going, where's my turnaround note? Now, you can't just jump out here because that's the root, that's the flat second. Your note is actually all the way out here, so we're going to have to go down. There we are. So our turnaround note will be, all right, let's do it. Awesome, hey? Let's go again. Alright, this will give you a whole bunch of fun, and of course, to really ice the cake, try using it to harmonize to a fifth with the harmonic minor, and it will blow your mind. We're going to leave it there. I'll see you next time.